Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you about 5 amazing gadgets that make your life happy and easier, so let's start with this amazing video. Number 1. EasyThreed. Removable Magnetic Build Plate Mini 3D Printer. A modular 3D printer created with beginners and young children in mind is the EasyThreed K9 3D printer. Due to the straightforward one-touch interface and the ability to be connected via USB and TF card, younger children may use it freely. It doesn't need to be adjusted while operating, and its small size makes it easy to use. Additionally, your youngster will be entertained for weeks with extra models that can be downloaded from the model library on the official website. Assembling EasyThreed K9 is as easy and entertaining as putting together a toy. It is quite easy to use. It's suitable for beginners and children. It can 3D print in high resolution because it only uses premium components and has superb precision and reproducibility. Put the K9 in your living room or study if you really want to use it to check your printing in real time. With a working website and printing program, while you and your children are saving time and effort, permit your family to start the 3D printing voyage. Coming to number 2. SDS Ultra Plus. Mini Electric Drill Pen and Benchtop Press. The SDS Ultra Mini Electric Drill Pen, which resembles a pen, keeps the look of its initial design. It has a rounded 15 by 15 mm rectangular shape, is 137 mm in height, weighs only 56 kg, and when set flat on a work surface, it doesn't roll. One-piece CNC made of aluminium alloy, OLED display, RPM selecting button, one power button, lightweight design. A stronger motor was chosen. The output of SDS Ultra was tuned. The working voltage was increased. The new circuit board was redesigned. The control software was upgraded. The maximum RPM was raised to 600 RPM. There are 4 RPM modes available. Users can view a live display of the charging state thanks to the OLED. You have access to a USB-C port that makes charging simple. The pop-up switch on the CNC machined aluminum storage box makes it easier to store and organize various drill accessories. The parts slightly pop out when you press again. Coming to number 3. Timigo X1 4-in-1 Portable Car Combo Kit. It serves the purposes of 4 separate items, making it simpler to use and more useful to retain. The X1 air pump makes it easy to top off your tire pressure. Normally, it completes in 2 minutes. Additionally, it is able to automatically detect air pressure. When the air pressure is reached, it will automatically turn off. It is very useful because it can be used to inflate items other than car tires, including as balls, bicycles, mattresses, etc. The automobile is started in 3 seconds with the X1 car jump starting supplies. It can operate normally in temperatures ranging from -30°C to 80°C and can be used more than 20 times in a row. The X1 vacuum cleaner can run continuously for 40 minutes and is incredibly silent, with a super suction of 10,000 PA. A HEPA filter is additionally present. The 300 lumen X1 flashlight can be set to a variety of modes, including bright light, weak light, flash, and SOS for help, and it can run continuously for 12 hours. Coming to number 4. Zetazs Electric Skateboard. Due to the vehicle's wholly innovative appearance, transportable small body, flexible control, excellent performance, and secure brakes, you can utilize the free city shuttle at any time. The Zetazs vehicle has a 15 km range, a top speed of 25 km per hour, and an appropriate and steady speed distribution. Simply click the remote light button to turn on the integrated LED lights that are built into the chassis. After that, savor the unique atmosphere of the night. Thanks to the vehicle's wholly conceptual appearance, portable small body, flexible control, superb performance, and safe braking, you may always take advantage of the free city shuttle. The Zetazs vehicle has a 15 km range, a top speed of 25 km per hour, and an appropriate and steady speed distribution. Simply click the remote light button to turn on the integrated LED lights that are built into the chassis. After that, savor the unique atmosphere of the night. Coming to number 5. Yeslamp Ace. RGB eSports Dynamic LED Desk Lamp. In a nutshell, Yeslamp Ace offers state-of-the-art LED lighting technology that enables you to perform more of everything in every situation when an excellent indoor light is required, better, and brighter. Whether you're at home or at work, this really cool lamp will make you feel proud to have it on your desktop. It has a mecha-inspired design and is composed of an aluminium alloy framework. A light that makes things brighter, helps you accomplish your goals, and makes you feel comfortable while you're focusing on your work. That is what the term, dynamic RGB lighting, alludes to. It is used for more than just playing video games. It also synchronizes with music to produce a cozy and welcoming ambient lighting. Once more, even though we genuinely considered gamers' preferences while creating Yeslamp Ace, the reality is that this lamp goes well beyond what is needed in the gaming world. So this is all about this video. If you like any product from this video and want to buy product, then the product buy link is in description, and hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.